So we got Diddy, man. Diddy's back in the news once again. We already know Diddy's in jail. He's serving almost a 5-year sentence, but I think he's gonna end up doing like three, maybe two and a half. It seems that he's trying to get out of jail again. He's trying to get his court case appeal. Let's read this article right here. So it says Diddy, judge acted like the 13th juror, files new appeal of drinking on the sentence. Wow, I never heard that word before. And I must say, I'm not gonna lie to you, like at the sentencing, that judge, it kind of did seem that he kind of did sentence Diddy on that situation because whatever what he was charged for and what he was sentenced for, a lot of lawyers that wasn't his lawyers came out and said that they're kind of surprised that he did got sentenced that much time, you know what I mean? And just the words, some of the words that the judge was talking about saying before he sentenced Diddy kind of showed that he was I don't want to say showing compassion towards the victims, as in Cassie and other women and stuff like that that Diddy abused. You know what I mean? And some of the stuff that Diddy allegedly did. So he was kind of sentenced Diddy on that instead of just following the law. You know what I mean? But that's kind of my opinion, man. But let's read this right here. So it says Diddy's legal team is ripping Judge Aaron Samira, accusing him of crossing a line with the 50-month sentence and acting more like a juror than a judge. Diddy filed a new appeal late Tuesday evening demanding his conviction being overturned and his release from prison, or at the very least his sentence be lightened. While his lawyers have previously filed multiple appeals, this one singles out Judge Samarin for acting as the 13th juror in Diddy's criminal trial. That Diddy mugshot right there. It's a lot. Diddy got a lot of gray hair. Damn. And the dog's lead appeal attorney, Alessandra Shapiro, claims the judge Drinkian 50-month sentence is based on the conduct for which the actual jurors acquitted Diddy, namely the racketeering and sex trafficking counts. Shapiro claims Submarine incorrectly said during sentences he could consider Diddy's behavior related to the more violent charges, even though he's been acquitted of them, which she calls a violation of Diddy's constitutional rights. Diddy's insisting his sentence should only be based on the two counts of violating the Mann Act, transporting individuals for purpose of prostitution, for which he was convicted. Wow, man, look at this stuff right here. A lot of baby oil, actual glide, some drugs, um, a gun, some rope. What the hell is the rope for? What's going on here? Diddy was in some freaky shit, you know what I'm saying? So he probably like tying the women up and stuff like that. I don't know, man. That's crazy right there. In previous appeals, Diddy's team has argued he did not actually set up the travel or payment for the male prostitutes, and therefore it did not violate the Mann Act. Federal prosecutors still have a couple of months to respond before the case can go before the appellate court. Wow, this is crazy, man. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, will Diddy end up getting out sooner? He already been in for what, a year now? So this is crazy, yo. Diddy might end up getting out. Like if it really goes to the appellate court and they find him, you know what, that judge was wrong, and I mean, he violated Diddy constitutional right. I don't know. This is crazy.